Hey everyone, CPO here, and I've got another Supernote video for you. I'm going to answer a question that was posed to me in one of my comments on YouTube, and it's a simple question. So I thought I would give a simple answer, and it relates to whether or not you can have multiple template pages in the same notebook. And the answer is yes. So just let me show you real quick how this works. So I've got this notebook here that I've used for testing several times, and I'm going to go just to a blank page here, and then I'm going to set a template background layer, and I'm going to make this one a 10mm grid. Hit apply. So now you can see I've got a big grid right here. If we go back, it did not change my previous blank template that I had before. So grid. Let's go and background layer. Let's see what we have in customization. Here is daily planner template. And again, if we go back, still have my grid, still have my blank. So that's really it. The answer is yes, you can have multiple templates, one per page, and you can just do that on every page of a notebook. So if you, because this is going to come up, whatever your last template is will just keep getting repeated every time you create a new page. So I don't know if you can see here, page 11 of 11, 10 of 11, 9 of 11, 8 of 11. They're all the same template, 7 of 11, because I just kept adding templates. But I can go in there and change any of these if I want. Like if I wanted to redo that one to something new, let's do a 4-quadrant method. Boom, done. 9 has my day planner, 10 has my quad, 11 has my day planner. So anyway, I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.